Have you ever wondered about life beyond Earth? The search for life beyond Earth has been one of the motives for interplanetary missions, with Jupiter and its moons being one of many successful ventures. One of Jupiter's 53 moons, Europa, has shown the presence of watery oceans beneath its surface, implying there is likely life out there. From ground-based telescopes, scientists are aware that Europa's surface is mostly made of ice crust. With the information spacecrafts and telescopes have gathered, scientists have found hints for Europa's ocean beneath its ice crust. To figure out if Europa may have favorable conditions for life, NASA will launch a satellite named Europa Clipper that will begin its journey on October 2024, entering the orbit around Jupiter to perform approximately 50 close flybys of the Moon.
You might ask, why Europa? In addition to the vast ocean lying beneath Europa's icy shell, Europa has other major elements needed to support life. The appropriate level of chemical elements and some amount of energy source. Scientists believe Europa has one of the most promising habitable environments in our solar system. During the mission, the Europa Clipper will gather four major pieces of information: the thickness of Europa's icy shell, the way ocean interacts with the surface, Europa's composition, and the characteristic of geology of Europa. With the information, scientists will deduce a list of places in Europa that could support life. They will also try to find life in Europa.
The Europa Clipper satellite. With a sophisticated suite of scientific instruments, Europa Clipper will be the most advanced satellite ever sent to investigate the habitability of another world. Europa Clipper's science payload consists of 10 instruments grouped as follows: cameras and spectrometers that will create high-resolution images and compositional maps of the Moon's surface and thin atmosphere. An ice-penetrating radar, magnometer, plasma sensors, and gravity survey will reveal the ocean and deep interior of the Moon. Moreover, the spacecraft's thermal camera will identify warmer ice and could reveal recent water eruptions. There is also a dust analyzer and mass spectrometer that will study the chemistry of particles in space near the Moon.
Europa might have some habitable areas beneath its surface. Looking for places that support life beyond Earth will shed a light on understanding how life originated. Moreover, if there is life in Europa, where the origin of life was completely independent from the origin of life on Earth, then that means the origin of life must be pretty similar throughout the galaxy. The study on Europa would help NASA understand life on Earth and beyond.